Reading with Teacher Paul, Reading Comprehension A1, A2, Lesson 12, Volcanoes. Let's begin.
A volcano is a mountain that can sometimes explode. Inside a volcano, there is hot, melted rock called magma. When a volcano erupts, the magma comes out of the top as lava. Lava is very hot and can flow down the sides of the volcano. Volcanoes can be found in many places around the world. Some volcanoes are active, which means they can still erupt. Others are dormant, which means they haven't erupted for a long time, but they might in the future. Volcanoes can be dangerous, but they also create new land when the lava cools and turns into rock.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.TutorUKABC.com for more fun learning material.